Hello and welcome to this series again. This is the part 3 of the series. So the aim of the lesson is to learn how to pronounce some common phrasal verbs. Along with that, we are going to learn the sentences and the meaning of the phrasal verbs as well. Okay, so let's get started quickly. So the first one is go around. So go around, we read them quickly. So go around. It sounds like round, but it is around. So this sound is very soft. Okay, subtle sound. Go around. Around is like a circle. Okay, so around something. That means to pass from one place to another. So as an example, we could say, I'll go around my house to find my lost toy. Okay, so that means you visit a place. So you can also say, I'll go around the world, to experience different places. Okay. So the next one is go by. Go by. Of course, because of this a vowel and a consonant, go by. Okay, go by. To pass someone or something quickly. So move past something. Okay. So for example, we could say, as the time goes by, people gain more experience. So with time, people learn more about their life and their world. So that's the experience as the time goes by. Okay. Next one is go over. Okay? Go over. Go over. So to review. All right. So for example, busy people always go over their daily schedule to manage time. Okay. Now this word can be pronounced as scheduled or schedule or schedule. Okay, so schedule to manage time. Okay. The next one is hand over. So this will be connected. So dover, hand over. So giving something to someone if they ask. So give or share something upon request. So people ask you to give them something and you give them. So for example, we could say students hand over their homework to their teachers. So why do they hand over their homework? Because the teachers want them to give their homework. Okay. The next one is hang out. So hang out, gout. Okay, connecting there. So to hang clothes, okay, for drying them up, or to spend time with someone. So there could be two meanings, okay. In the example, I used the second meaning. So I could say I hang out with my friends on the weekend. So spend time. I go out with them somewhere, okay, to have some fun time, okay. The next one would be help out, pout, okay, help out, consonant, vowel, to help someone with something. So an example could be, I always help out my colleagues at work, or I help out my friends in school. So these were some more phrasal verbs. I'm sure you're going to use them in your day-to-day life. I'll be back with more phrasal verbs. Till then, enjoy yourselves.